Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools. In this video I'm going to show you how you can write a Python code to annoy your friend or write random messages to anyone. So first you need to download the Python in your PC or in your laptop. So search for download Python. Here is the website. Just enter this website and download the latest version. I already have Python in my PC, so you can find it here after installing in your PC. Just click on the Python and we will start writing our code. So I am opening a new file, and next I will write a name as a comment. If you are familiar with programming, you know when we write a hashtag, we are writing a comment. So I will import a random and import PyAutoGUI as PG, which is used to automate web. So next we will import time, and now let me adjust my code. And now I am considering a random variable and initializing it with two values. Let's say u plus me is equal to bond. Maybe you guys thinking why I am writing this, so keep watching the video. I will reveal this why I am initializing these two values. And here I will initialize a sleep time as 8 seconds. And now I want to create a for loop for automate messages. I will keep values for 500 and initialize a random variable for random choices between the above two values. So I will write a random choice for the variable chemistry map, and my PG variable, which is a web automator. So I will write what I need to write here. I will select the random choice, which is A. I have initialized it with A, so I will select A. And after that, what I need to do is to press the enter, that every time my loop selects the value from chemistry mem, and press the enter button to send the message. So I have to write that pg.press and enter. And one more thing, I need to install the library first, because if we don't install the library we will got an error. So just go to your command prompt and write that pip install and this PyAutoGUI. Just copy from here and paste it here and just tap enter. And I have already installed that library, so it shows that requirement already satisfied. So just install this library before you running the code. And now let me adjust my random values. U plus me is equal to strongest bond. Also let me add here strongest. And after that we will move towards WhatsApp and see how we can automate these message to my chemistry ma'am. And here she's asking for which two elements makes the strongest bond. So what you need to do is just tap on the Python file, and this is what we are going to send 500 times. So click on the run and run module and click where we type a message, and within 2 seconds you can see it will automatically writing a message and sending to anyone you like to send random messages. So here it will write 500 times because in the loop we have mentioned 500 times, so it will keep writing until the loop completes. So I think this video is helpful for you, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos, and keep supporting, and bye bye.